Hello everyone and welcome to the daily morning podcast of SBI Securities. Let us quickly check what happened in Indian markets yesterday. So in Indian equity markets, we saw the benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty slipping 0.9% each to settle at 71,355 and 21,513 levels respectively amid weak global cues. Broader markets underperformed with Nifty Midcap 100 falling 1.1% while Nifty Small Cap 100 declined 0.6%. If we look into the sectoral gainers and losers, then except for minor gains in reality and media, all the sectors ended on NSE on the negative side, with Nifty PSU banks, FMCG and metals declining the most with losses of 2.5%, 1.7% and 1.6% respectively. If we look into the fund flow activities, then the FIIs have net bought 16 crore rupees in the cash market yesterday, while DIIs have bought 156 crores in the cash market in yesterday's session. If we look into the advanced decline ratio, then about 1,855 shares have advanced on BSE and around 2,123 shares have declined. If we talk about the 52-week high and lows count, then about 493 stocks have made fresh 52-week highs, while about 12 shares have seen 52-week lows. Looking into the key global parameters, then the US 10-year Treasury yields are trading at 4.019%. Brent crude oil is hovering at around $76 per barrel. There was a news that the Saudi has done price cut by about $2 per barrel. The US and dollar index is trading at 102.1, so the dollar index is trading at a steady range. US VIX has seen a rise of 2% to 13.08 levels, while India VIX has seen a rise of 6.6% to 13.46 levels. Talking about the global market cues, then the US market cues are supportive for our Indian market today, as the US market gave a positive close overnight, with Nasdaq gaining 2.2%, S&P 500 gaining 1.4% and Dow rising by 0.6%. The larger gains in Nasdaq were led by fall in Treasury yields, while a sharp drop in the share price of Boeing have kept the gains in Dow Limited. The Treasury yields have fallen ahead of the inflation data, which will be released in US on Thursday this week. So the investors' focus this week in US will be on inflation data, that is consumer price index, and also on producer price index data to get signs on the path of interest rates going ahead. Taking a check on the European markets, the European markets have closed higher by 0.4% to 0.7%. Asian markets are mostly trading on a positive bias today, with GIFT Nifty trading at 21,705 levels at present, which indicates a positive 125 points of opening. So overall, the global sentiments are looking positive. Talking about the stocks which are in news today, Bajaj Auto has approved a rupees 4,000 crore buyback via tender offer. The company plans to buy back 40 lakh fully paid equity shares of face value of rupees 10 each at rupees 10,000 per share. So this will be positive for Bajaj Auto in short term. Zee Entertainment Enterprises is likely to trade on a negative side today, as Sony Group is planning to call off the $10 billion merger pact with Zee Entertainment Enterprises. Adani Group companies will be in focus, as the conglomerate has signed a memorandum of understanding to invest over 42,700 crore rupees in Tamil Nadu. So this will be positive for the overall Adani Group companies. Eicher Motors unit Royal Enfield have signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government, whereby the company will invest around 3,000 crore rupees over 8 years in the state to set up greenfield and brownfield projects in the region. So positive for Eicher Motors. Brigade Enterprises has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to invest over 3,400 crore rupees for multiple construction projects. So positive for Brigade Enterprises. Ashok Leyland has signed a memorandum of understanding with Tamil Nadu government to invest about 1,200 crore rupees in 3 to 5 years. So positive for Ashok Leyland. Caplin Point Laboratories has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to invest about 700 crore rupees over 5 years in multiple projects. So positive for Caplin Point Laboratories. BEML has bagged an order worth rupees 329.9 crores from Ministry of Defence for the supply of mechanical minefield marking equipment. So positive for BEML over short to medium term. Tata Motors have came out with its business updates, whereby the company's Jaguar Land Rover wholesales have stood at 1.01 lakh units, up 27% year on year. Retail sales have stood at 1.09 lakh units, up 29% year on year. The order book continues to be strong as per the company management. So the updates are positive from Tata Motors. Sanghvi Industries is likely to be in focus as Ambuja Cement's open offer for acquiring a 26% stake in the company will open on 15 Jan and will be closing on 29 Jan. So this will be neutral for Sanghvi Industries and Ambuja Cements. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation has received approval for environmental clearance from Ministry of Environment and Climate Change to expand its capacity from 3 MTPA to 5 MTPA of lignite at Surkha Lignite Mine. So this will be positive for GMDC in short to medium term. From the IPO front, today Jyoti CNC Automation bids will be opening for IPO. So it will comprise a fresh issue of rupees 1000 crores. The price band is fixed at rupees 315 to 331 per share. And the company has raised around 447.7 crores from the anchor investors. From the bulk deals, High-Tech Pipes has seen a bulk deal where Manisha Gupta has sold 9.99 lakh shares, which is about 0.76%, while Bandhan Mutual Fund has bought 10 lakh shares, which is about 0.76% at rupees 141 per share. So these were the major global updates for today's trade. Looking into the positive closing from the US market and most of the Asian markets trading in positive side, we expect a positive start for Indian markets today. Thank you for listening to the morning podcast. Have a happy trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.